explain it, to make your brain contain it, and have you all jumping while we're saying it. H is for human, C is for chorionic, scratching the temple. The last G, well, that's not that simple. I'll say it now, you better make sure that your ears are open, because it stands for human, chorionic, and nanotropin. A lady on occasion has it when her body is containing. It seems I gotta start to explain it. Bust it. You ever try for three of a kind instead of just a pair? Go in the bathroom with your husband, only y'all in air. You take a little stick and dip it in some fresh urine, and when you look at it, you see that there's another line. You look at him, he looks at you, and you know right away you got another little member in your family. You go up a little B to the U to the M to the P, and at the end of it, guess what?
You make the new baby!
How many mothers have to notice what I'm getting at? The way you're putting on your sword or your knitting hat. Well, if you don't, that's HCG and you're not down with it. But if you do, here's your membership. You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
Who's down with HCG?
Every last mommy!
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me!
Who's down with HCG?
All the mommies!
As for the daddies, HCG's a little different. She needs some love and support, so you know you gotta give it. She's emotional, jittery, scared, I'll be even franker. She's a boat in a stormy ocean, but you be the anchor. Let HCG and other stuff instead of make the baby grow. But what it does to her, you really never know. You start to notice something different, yeah, some little shocks. Like you watch Bambi and she goes for one whole Kleenex box. Or if she loses track of time when you put on some vids. Or she forgets to fix a breakfast for the other kids. You gotta step on up and be a man and help her out. Cause mutual aid and comfort's part of what it's all about. You might think helping with the diapers more than you can take, and you might miss the times at night when she could stay awake. But when you think about it, you're still glad to pay the price, cause it's a blessing and you know it's worth the sacrifice. So come on, mom and dad and every little gal or dude, say HCG and show your gratitude. Now when you do it well and treasure every day. And right now, let me hear you say, you don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with HCG?
Every last daddy.
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You don't want HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with HCG?
All the daddies.
So you know about HCG. You're in a family way, a bun in the oven, preggo with child, okay? Got a plan if it's a girl or it's a male in you. You're gonna need a lot of baby paraphernalia. Bussin', you want a glider and some diapers and a lucky swing, a diaper backpack and a cover and a baby sling. You're right, it better be a bigger one, you get it? The seat'll never go on that, there's no room to fit it. Now there's another little something that I gotta say, that having HCG inside is not the only way. If there's a little one who doesn't have a place to be, and then you make that child a member of your family, you get the honorary HCG, oh yes you do. Cause when you took that baby, you became a mommy too. We all participate in helping little babies grow, and we can reach them so we teach them what they need to know. Exciting, isn't it? A special kind of business, be getting little babies, and the kids you're gonna be living with, him or her for sure is going to be in it. When HCG comes, man, baby, I'm with it. You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with HCG?
This whole party.
You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
You know what HCG?
Yeah, you know me.
Who's down with HCG?
Everybody.
Really, can you copy Daddy? Do what Daddy
Can you
does.
do what Daddy does?
Do that with your arms?
Can you go like this? That's the way it is, your little brother in there. Smile, pat him. Aww.
Chorionic, scratching the temple. The last G, well, that's not that simple. I'll say it now, you better make sure that your ears are open, because the same for human chorionic and nanotropin.